We are presenting you Fortador, powered by Lamborghini PRO S. High-efficiency steam cleaner in various examples of cleaning and disinfection. Keep your environment clean and safe for you and your employees or customers. Fortador steam cleaners allow you to clean deeply any surface. Apply hot antibacterial detergent feed from the machine to improve cleaning efficiency and deodorize and disinfect not only the surface, but also air. The temperature of a 120 degrees Celsius and 248 degrees Fahrenheit with pressure up to 16 bar or 232 psi disinfect and terminate all viruses, bacteria, germs, and fungus. CDC, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, recommends to use steam whenever possible on all critical and semi-critical items that are heat and moisture resistant. Steam sterilizers also are used in healthcare facilities to decontaminate microbiological waste and sharps, but additional exposure time is required in the gravity displacement sterilizer for these items. Of all the methods available for sterilization, moist heat in the form of saturated steam under pressure is the most widely used and the most dependable. Steam sterilization is non-toxic, inexpensive, rapidly microbicidal, sporicidal, and rapidly heats and penetrates fabrics. The mobility of Fortador, powered by Lamborghini PRO S steamer, allows you to meet needs in different kinds of industries and any location. Expand or open your company, help others, and be fully independent. Be a part of Fortador's success. You can deliver disinfection services to offices, warehouses, production lines, hospitals, restaurants, fitness clubs, pools, food industry, private homes, hotels, and apartments. Commercial transportation, cargo vehicles, boats, ambulances, and more. Machines are built in accordance with CE norms and standards, Lamborghini Color Klima, TUV Nord, Florida AS, UL, Canada, United States. For more details, visit our website, www.fortador.com.